Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're uncovering the top 10 largest banks in the United States for 2024. These institutions hold trillions in assets, shaping the financial landscape. They fuel businesses, finance homes, and hold the savings of millions. Let's jump right into the countdown and uncover the top 10 largest banks in the United States for 2024. Kicking off our list at number 10 is TD Bank, a Canadian powerhouse making waves on U.S. soil. TD Bank is a subsidiary of the Toronto-Dominion Bank, headquartered in Toronto, Canada. Their U.S. headquarters are in Cherry Hill, New Jersey, with a strong presence across the country. With $401 billion in assets, they're clearly doing something right. TD Bank boasts 1,220 branches across 15 states. Their Canadian roots and customer service have paved the way for success in the U.S. market. Now you might be wondering how a Canadian bank rose to such prominence in the U.S. TD Bank's journey is a testament to strategic acquisitions and a keen understanding of the U.S. market. Over the years, they've strategically acquired several regional banks, expanding their footprint. But TD Bank isn't content with simply resting on their laurels. They're constantly innovating and adapting to the ever-changing financial landscape. Investing heavily in digital banking solutions, they recognize the demand for convenient services. TD Bank consistently ranks highly in customer satisfaction surveys. They've received accolades for their financial performance and community commitment. So there you have it, our number 10 spot goes to TD Bank, making a significant impact on the U.S. financial landscape. Coming in at number 9, we have a familiar name, especially if you've ever watched late-night television. It's Capital One, best known for its catchy commercials and credit card offerings. This Virginia-based financial giant has become a major player in the banking industry. With $421 billion in total assets, they've come a long way. Capital One now offers a full suite of banking products and services. They hold the third-largest market share for credit cards in the United States. Capital One has diversified its offerings to include checking and savings accounts, mortgages, and auto loans. How has Capital One stayed ahead in the competitive banking landscape? Their strategy combines technological innovation and customer experience. They embraced the digital revolution early, investing in online and mobile platforms. But they haven't neglected their physical presence. With around 755 branches in high-traffic areas, they've adopted a cafe-style approach, offering inviting spaces for personalized advice. They understand the value of face-to-face interaction for complex needs. Blending digital convenience with personalized service, they aim for a seamless experience. Their strategy works, earning high customer satisfaction, especially among millennials. Coming in at number 8, we have Truist Bank. Formed from the merger of BB&T and SunTrust in 2019, Truist quickly became a major player in the U.S. financial landscape. Headquartered in Charlotte, North Carolina, Truist boasts $509 billion in total assets. With 2,781 branches across the Southeast, they have a huge presence in a growing region. Truist is worth $66 billion, positioning them strongly for future growth. But let's be real for a second. We all know that a bank's success isn't just about the numbers, it's about the people they serve and the communities they support. And that's an area where Truist really seems to shine. They've got a strong commitment to community development, financial literacy, and supporting small businesses. They understand that when the communities they serve thrive, so does their business. It's a win-win situation. And that's something I really respect about Truist. They're not just focused on making profits, they're also focused on making a positive impact. That kind of commitment to social responsibility is something I think we need to see more of from large corporations. So, there you have it, Truist Bank, a financial powerhouse with a heart. Hello everyone, we wanted to say thank you for watching our videos. If you're enjoying the content and want to support the channel, consider clicking on the Super Thanks button below. Your donations help us keep creating awesome videos for you, and every bit of support means the world to us. Now back to the video. Number 7 on our list takes us to the heart of Wall Street, Goldman Sachs, synonymous with high finance and global markets. With assets over $564 billion, Goldman Sachs is influential. Over 150 years, a leader in investment banking and management. Only 3 branches not focused on retail banking. catering to corporations, governments, and high net worth individuals, worth $136 billion, a testament to their expertise. Now, even titans like Goldman Sachs have to adapt to the changing times. In recent years, they've actually made a push into consumer banking with their online platform, Marcus. It's a way for them to diversify their revenue streams and tap into a whole new market. And you know what? I think it's a smart move. The financial landscape is evolving, and Goldman Sachs is evolving with it. They're not content to rest on their laurels. They're constantly looking for new opportunities to grow and innovate. That's the mark of a truly successful company. So, whether you're talking about billion-dollar deals on Wall Street or helping everyday people manage their money through Marcus, Goldman Sachs continues to be a force to be reckoned with in the world of finance. They're a fascinating example of how a legacy institution can stay relevant and even dominant in a rapidly changing industry. It's all about adapting and innovating. Coming in at number 6, we have a familiar face, PNC Bank. With over 2,300 branches, PNC has a massive footprint. PNC is a financial powerhouse with $560 billion in total assets. They cover personal banking, mortgages, corporate lending, and wealth management. PNC has a long history dating back to 1845. But here's the thing about PNC that I really appreciate. They're not just focused on the bottom line. They're also deeply invested in the communities they serve. PNC is known for its philanthropic efforts, particularly in the areas of early childhood education and community development. They understand that a bank's success is intrinsically tied to the well-being of its communities, and that's something I really respect. It's not just about making money, it's about making a difference. PNC is also a leader in technological innovation, constantly looking for ways to improve the customer experience and make banking more convenient and accessible. From their mobile app to their online banking platform, PNC is always striving to stay ahead of the curve. So, there you have it. PNC Bank, a financial institution with a heart, a commitment to community, and an eye on the future. That's a winning combination in my book. Coming in at number 5, we have a bank that might not be as flashy as some of the Wall Street giants, but it's a true powerhouse in the Midwest and beyond. U.S. Bank, headquartered in Minneapolis, Minnesota, boasts a whopping $573 billion in total assets. That's like taking the entire GDP of a small country and putting it all in one bank. But it's not just about size with U.S. Bank. They've built a reputation for solid customer service and a wide range of financial products. With over 2,400 branches across the country, U.S. Bank has a strong presence in both urban and rural communities. They're known for their commitment to community development and financial literacy programs, which is something I really appreciate. Now, let's talk about their company worth. U.S. Bank is valued at a respectable $82 billion. That's a testament to their consistent performance and strong management team. They've weathered economic storms before and come out stronger, which is exactly what you want to see in a financial institution. Remember, when you're trusting a bank with your money, you want to know they're in it for the long haul. And with over 150 years of history, U.S. Bank has definitely proven its staying power. They've grown through a series of mergers and acquisitions, carefully expanding their reach while maintaining their core values. It's like building a real estate empire, brick by brick. You don't get there overnight, but with smart decisions and a long-term vision, you can create something truly substantial. Get ready to enter the world of international finance, because at number 4 we have Citibank. This New York City-based behemoth operates in over 160 countries and boasts a staggering $1.7 trillion in total assets. That's trillion with a T. To put that in perspective, it's larger than the entire economies of many countries combined. Citibank is a true global player, offering everything from personal banking to investment banking to global transaction services. They're known for their innovative products and services, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the financial world. Whether you're a small business owner looking to expand overseas, or a high-net-worth individual seeking sophisticated investment options, Citibank likely has a solution for you. It's this kind of diversity and global reach that has allowed them to become one of the most recognizable financial institutions in the world. Now let's talk numbers. Citibank is valued at an impressive $132 billion. That's a testament to their global reach and diverse range of financial products. But it's not always smooth sailing in the world of international finance. Citibank has faced its share of challenges over the years, from economic downturns to regulatory scrutiny. However, they've always managed to adapt and evolve, proving their resilience and ability to navigate the complex world of global finance. It's like a game of chess, constantly anticipating your opponent's next move and adjusting your strategy accordingly. And just like in chess, experience and a deep understanding of the game are essential for success. Citibank has both in spades. Hello everyone, we wanted to say thank you for watching our videos. If you're enjoying the content and want to support the channel, consider clicking on the Super Thanks button below. Your donations help us keep creating awesome videos for you, and every bit of support means the world to us. Now back to the video. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're moving into the upper echelon of American banking. At number 3, we have Wells Fargo, a true icon of the American West with roots dating back to the California Gold Rush. Headquartered in San Francisco, Wells Fargo boasts a staggering $1.9 trillion in total assets. That's like having a vault filled with enough gold to make even Scrooge McDuck jealous. But Wells Fargo is more than just a legacy brand. They've got over 5,200 branches across the country, serving millions of customers every day. From checking accounts to mortgages to investment services, Wells Fargo offers a comprehensive suite of financial products. They've built a reputation for convenience and accessibility, making it easy for people from all walks of life to manage their finances. Section 2. Building for the future. Now let's talk about their value. Wells Fargo is currently worth a cool $184 billion. That's a testament to their strong brand recognition and loyal customer base. However, just like any large institution, Wells Fargo has faced its share of challenges in recent years. But what's important is how they learn from these experiences and emerge stronger. They've been investing heavily in technology and innovation, streamlining their operations, and focusing on enhancing their customer experience. It's like renovating a classic car. You want to keep the charm of the original, but you also need to upgrade the engine and add some modern features to keep it running smoothly for years to come. Wells Fargo understands this balance and is committed to building a brighter financial future for its customers. Bank of America, a true titan in the financial world. You've seen their branches and used their ATMs. With $2.4 trillion in assets, it's a heavyweight champion. If it were a country, its economy would rank in the top 10. It's about reach and impact with over 4,000 branches valued at $313 billion, a true giant of finance. But here's the thing about Bank of America, they're not just a bank. They're a global financial powerhouse involved in everything from investment banking and wealth management to credit cards and insurance. They've got their fingers in pretty much every pie in the financial world, and they're doing it on a massive scale. This kind of diversification is key to their success, allowing them to weather economic storms and continue to grow year after year. But with great size comes great responsibility. Bank of America has faced its fair share of scrutiny and challenges over the years, from the 2008 financial crisis to more recent regulatory hurdles. However, they've always managed to adapt and evolve, solidifying their position as one of the top dogs in the financial world. This is a company with a rich history, and you can bet they'll continue to be a major player for many years to come. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the #1 spot on our list of the largest banks in the United States goes to J.P. Morgan Chase. This financial behemoth needs no introduction. With an astounding $3.2 trillion in assets, J.P. Morgan Chase isn't just a bank, it's a financial ecosystem. To put that into perspective, if J.P. Morgan Chase were a country, its economy would be larger than that of the United Kingdom. But it's not just about the sheer size of their assets. J.P. Morgan Chase boasts a market capitalization of a whopping $473 billion. That's right, nearly $500 billion. This makes them not only the largest bank in the United States, but also one of the most valuable companies on the planet. And with nearly 5,000 branches across the country, they're practically everywhere. From coast to coast, J.P. Morgan Chase is a ubiquitous presence in the American financial landscape. J.P. Morgan. Chase's dominance in the financial world is no accident. It's the result of over 200 years of mergers, acquisitions, and strategic growth. They've weathered economic storms, navigated regulatory changes, and emerged as a true titan of the industry. Their influence extends far beyond the realm of consumer banking. J.P. Morgan Chase is a major player in investment banking, asset management, private equity, and even treasury and securities services. They're involved in virtually every aspect of the financial world, and their decisions have a ripple effect across the global economy. When J.P. Morgan Chase speaks, Wall Street listens. But despite their massive size and influence, J.P. Morgan Chase remains committed to serving its customers and communities. They're constantly innovating, introducing new technologies, and expanding their services to meet the evolving needs of their clients. Well, there you have it. The top 10 largest banks in the United States, dominating the financial landscape with their massive assets, impressive valuations, and extensive branch networks. From coast to coast, these financial institutions play a pivotal role in our economy, shaping the way we bank, invest, and manage our money. It's been an incredible journey exploring the scale and scope of these banking giants. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on finance and business. See you in the next video.